So, you clicked on this video because you're curious about moving to Thailand. Maybe you're stuck in a job you don't love, tied to a location you don't want to be in, probably somewhere in the West, and you're dreaming of an escape. Thailand sounds perfect, right? Beautiful beaches, amazing food, a totally different lifestyle. There's one big problem: money. You still need to make a living, and that means figuring out how to earn while living in a new country. Don't worry, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get straight to the point. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways you can move your income online so you can pack your bags and start living the life always dreamed of in Thailand. The first way is probably what comes to mind for most people when they think about working online. Let's just get this one out of the way first. It's the classic, or as I like to call it, the ancient method: finding a job online. Now, when I say ancient, it's not because it's outdated or bad. It's just been around the longest. This method is going to limit you to a certain amount of income, especially if you're in a role where your salary is fixed. You won't have a lot of room to make extra cash unless it's a sales job with commissions or something similar. But let me be clear, this is a solid way to go. You get a steady income, work a set number of hours, and there's no need to take big risks. If you have experience in a certain field, teaching for instance, this can be a really great option. Think about it. If you're a yoga or gym instructor, consultant, or an advisor, you could easily transition to an online role. You might even be able to take some of your current clients with you, or build up a small clientele online. The best way to get started? Simple. Just hop online and start searching for remote jobs. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, or even Google can help you find opportunities. You'll likely have to apply to a bunch of places. Don't be surprised if it takes hundreds of applications before you land something that really fits you. But that's okay. Keep at it, and eventually you'll find the right role. Now, let's move on to something a bit more modern. The second way to move your income online: starting a career on social media. A lot of people think that means you have to show your face on camera, create a public persona, and basically become a YouTuber or TikTok star. But honestly, that couldn't be further from the truth. There are tons of different careers you can build on social media without ever having to show your face or step into the public eye. Look at this channel, for example. I'm making these videos from the comfort of my home without needing to be in the spotlight. You could use a similar strategy to make money on platforms like TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, or Instagram. There are so many different roles you could take on behind the scenes. You could be a video editor, create thumbnails, manage social media growth, write scripts, or even come up with ideas for content. These are all valuable services that creators need, and they're willing to pay for them. The best way to break into this is to reach out to a bunch of small creators. Send them a message, pitch your services, and see if anyone bites. It might take some time, but once you find someone who likes your work, you could start earning a steady income. Alternatively, if you're up for it, you could start your own channel or platform. Pick a niche you're passionate about, start posting content, and grow your following. Definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you stick with it, you could eventually start earning from ads, sponsorships, stories, or even selling products. I'm not going to dive deep into how to grow on social media because there are already thousands of videos and courses out there that cover that in detail. This video is just about exploring your options. And trust me, starting a career on social media is a real possibility. You're thinking, this sounds hard? I get it. But the truth is, it's not as tough as you might think. You can learn the skills you need in a few weeks or months. Remember, and once you've got them, they can pay off for the rest of your life. Plus, with all the AI tools available now, it's never been easier to create content and get noticed. Alright, let's move on to the third method: freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to earn an income online, and it gives you a ton of flexibility. You might be thinking of sites like Upwork or Fiverr, and those are definitely good places to start. But freelancing isn't just as limited to those platforms. You can also find clients through other methods, like cold emailing or networking. This is similar to the social media services I mentioned earlier, which could be considered a type of freelancing. But freelancing is so much broader than just social media. You could offer any service or skill that can be done online. Are you good at writing? You could become a freelance writer. Do you have a knack for teaching? Offer online lessons or coaching. The possibilities are endless. If you have a skill that someone needs, trust me, you can make money from it online. And just like with social media, there are tons of resources out there. YouTube videos, blogs, courses that can help you learn how to become a successful freelancer. I won't go into all the details here because, honestly, we'd be here for hours. But just know that freelancing is a legit way to replace your income and gain the freedom to live and work wherever you want. So there you have it. 3 solid ways to move your income online so you can live the life you've been dreaming about in Thailand. Whether you choose to find a remote job, start a social media career, or become a freelancer, these methods can help you break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and give you the time and location freedom that's so valuable. And who knows? You might even end up making more money than you do now, working 30 to 40 hours a week. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.